Whether you are a content creator or planning to make a career as a full-time or part-time content creator or a freelance writer, then today's video is for you. And in today's digital world, you can earn money sitting in the comfort of your home. Hello and welcome back to AI series of Explore Bio with Dr. Abhishek. In this video, I will explain how you can harness the power of latest AI tools to quickly and easily generate content for articles, blogs, posts, videos, and other freelancing projects. You will also learn how to humanize the AI generated content to avoid getting flagged by AI detectors and increase your success as a content creator. Watch this video till the end to learn how to create more content with less effort and increase your income by making right use of AI. Traditional content creators who do their own research and use their own creativity for writing content, although deliver unique content but are slow in completing the projects. But in this competitive world of AI, creators who use GPT and other AI tools for writing their content have a huge competitive advantage of completing more projects in less time and thus earning more. Using AI tools, one can collect data and generate drafts much quicker. But the major issue with using AI tools like GPT is that such content can easily be detected by powerful AI detectors like ZeroGPT, AI Detector Pro, and Originality.ai. This might reduce your credibility as a creator. Your content might even get flagged, downranked by Google, which may even result in financial losses. So today I will share with you a very useful AI tool, AI Detector Pro, that will help you not only detect AI generated content but also humanize it very easily. This way you can quickly generate content using your preferred AI tool like ChatGPT and easily humanize it without altering its meaning. Now let me quickly introduce you to AI Detector Pro and its features. This is how the homepage of the AI Detector Pro looks like. It says it can detect and remove traces of AI. The image correlates well with the work the tool performs, which is humanizing the AI content. You can do three things with this tool. First, it will help you detect what part of your content is AI written and highlight it. Next, you can manually or automatically humanize the content to make it human-like. Third, it analyzes the tone of the content to determine if it is more human-like or AI-like. To use this tool, you first need to register. Unlike several other tools, you won't be asked for credit card details while registering. But as I am already registered, I will log into my account using my credentials. Upon logging in, this is how the dashboard looks like. It displays the summary of AI scans and humanizations done by you. You can see more details by clicking on the reports. In the bottom left corner, you can see the total AI scans and humanizations left depending upon the plan you have purchased. As I have access to unlimited plan, I can perform unlimited AI scans and humanizations using this tool. Now let's see how it performs AI scans. For this, we first need to have the content. Here I am using ChatGPT for writing a blog post on health benefits of consuming beetroot. Next, copy this AI generated content and paste it here in the box of AI Detector Pro and click on Analyze to see the percentage of AI content. You can see within seconds it has analyzed the content and as expected it says the content is AI written. You can open the report to see more details. This is how AI detection is done using AI Detector Pro. Coming on to the second part, which is humanizing the AI written content. For this, click on Open with AI Eraser. The AI text is highlighted in different colors. You can either manually rewrite it or choose appropriate synonyms suggested by the tool like this. But the faster and the easier way to humanize the content is by selecting the sections you want to humanize all at once and then click on Humanize Document. It might take a few minutes to humanize the entire section. Similarly, you can humanize the remaining section. After humanizing, you should perform AI scan again to verify if the content is humanized. After rescanning the document for AI, it suggests the document is human-like. Just to avoid any biases towards the tool, I have checked the humanized content with other AI detectors like GPT-0 and 0GPT, which also suggests that the content is human written. This way you can use GPT tools to generate the content and use AI Detector Pro to humanize it within a matter of minutes, increasing your content writing efficiency. Nevertheless, you can always fine-tune the content and add your personal touch to make it sound more authentic to better connect with the audience. The third thing AI Detector Pro does is tone analysis, which means how your text sounds to the readers. So if you compare the charts of the initially AI generated content with the humanized content, you can see the difference. In the first chart, a lot of blue zone lie outside the orange circle, which means the content sounds more AI-like. In the second chart, you can see that the blue zone almost lies within the orange zone, which suggests the tone is more human-like. So coming on to the different plans offered by this tool. The free version of the tool provides 3 free AI scans. If you need to do more AI scans and humanize the content, you can opt for basic or unlimited plans. You may test the tool by purchasing the monthly plan, or you may also go for yearly plans at a discounted rates. You can also use Explore Bio as a promo code for an additional discount when you purchase the tool using the link that is given in the description below. AI Detector Pro is definitely going to help you detect AI content generated using tools like ChatGPT and humanize it very easily and effectively. This will help you increase your productivity as freelance content creator, save a lot of your time in writing the content, and boost your income. Thus, if you are a serious content writer, then this tool can be worth going for. So that's all for the today's video. I have created an entire playlist on AI related tools and research and publishing that might be useful for you. Comment below for your queries and requests. I usually respond to them. Thanks and stay connected for more such videos.